Okay, YouTube, if I can get some help out there. I mounted this carburetor straight to the block. There's usually a black, I don't know, it's like a holder. It holds like the fuel line and the spark plug wire, I believe, that goes behind the carb. And I'm wondering if that's not on there, would that make the motor only run on choke? Maybe there's like something on that, because I know there's a hole behind the carburetor. There's a hole behind the carburetors, and I don't know if that's like a surge or a little pulsate or something, but I took the liberty to clean the thing that's in here, and that didn't work. It still doesn't start when it's off a choke. So if anybody could help me with that, I don't know. I can't find the block that goes behind the carburetor, or I would put it on there. But I'm kind of thinking that's the problem, but because this motor is only wanting to run on choke right now, pretty much. Let's see, cut the choke on. Well, maybe I should cut the choke off. Pull it. It doesn't start. Now if I cut the choke on and pull it. Maybe I need some more. Just turn the idle up some. Starting on the choke. First pull. If anybody knows, if somebody could help me, please comment down below. Thanks in advance. Also, another thing, if I don't have an exhaust pipe, would that make it happen? I'm going to be making one of those in a minute anyways, but contemplating on just putting a PW